Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, unboxing, you know what I'm saying? Do all types of unboxings on here, but a lot of shoes. I also like to showcase, you know, if my kids got shoes or my wife got shoes, I like to showcase that. I'm missing one, and I'm probably gonna show with that later, but this one just came in. Let's just get to it, you know what I'm saying? First of all, Nike, as usual. And as you can see about the box, you know, kind of small thumbnail. Upside down. Anyway, so besides me acting goofy and everything, so you know, women's Air Max 270s, 270s. You know what I'm saying? First of all, when I seen these shoes, I thought it was like a little. Thought they were like a little bulkier on the end. I never tried them on. When the homies had a pair, all reds. I ain't see them on his feet, but he did a unboxing, or I got to see him. In the store. Now I didn't look on at the bottom of them before my wife got this pair. So. Looking at the bottom, I always look at the sole of the shoe. Sole of the shoe, it's gonna be real comfortable. First of all, box, real unique, real comfortable. They could have did a little better on the paper, but you know, they say covering up and protecting the shoe. So, for the ones that don't know what they look like, come on, boom. So, always on the all black. Always on the all black. What I like about the all blacks is it's all black. But what they like to do on all blacks is they like to put different tones of black on different parts of the shoe. This one is, all black, like even the different tones of the shoe. So right here you have some nylon. Gonna be probably real comfortable right there. I could scrunch it up a little bit, no leather there or nothing like that. That's gonna be real comfortable. For the bend and everything, right here, and you don't even want to mess these shoes up, but these are some shoes you want to walk in and run in. Right here, Nike symbol, boom, that's Gucci. Suede right here, so more nylon. The only thing I don't like about this right here is it's no tongue action, like no separate. It's a tongue right here, but it's no. You can't separate that if you see it. It's almost like a sock. So that's good and bad, because you put your foot in and then boom, it's perfect. If you put your foot in, it can't fit. It's like, oh, you just fitting into a sock you can't fit or something, We got here right there on the tab, imprints on the tab. That's some good detail. Air 270s. Ear back here, and a unique ear though. It's a unique joint. So then you turn around and you look on. You got 270 right there on the. I can't wait, man. Wait till I start getting this camera game up. I'm gonna start either figuring out how to autofocus, or I'm gonna get one that autofocus like real good. But anyway, it's a 270 right there. There you go. You see it. And then Nike right there. This part where I got the focus on good, that's like a rubber kind of feel right there. Then you got the kind of air bubble back here, which it could look like kind of like, extravagant or whatnot, like extra, but they kind of carried it into the shoe. So you got the shiny kind of like feel like all the way up. So it's not super extra. I feel if they lowered it down a little bit, it'll look a little better. But like if they cut all this off, it'll look a little better, and it's just like shoe. But it's that comfortableness wouldn't be there. And again, I'm talking about the soles. Look at that. So when we was younger, we stepped on shoes. They call it like being holy. We start eating into this part and this part, and it's like, oh, you ain't gonna eat into this part, man. Look how thick that is. You ain't gonna eat into that part. And then you got the air bubble here, and also my wife, she ain't feeling it. It's comfy. I mean, it's comfy. So yeah, that's the Air Max Black 270. Let me get the other joint in the picture. And I want to rip that box up, but I'm trying to get this other shoe out, y'all. Sure. You know, man, perfect to wear with some sweats. Perfect to wear with some, you know, just some joggers or something, you know, just be comfortable. But you put these on with just jeans. You really should use these to, like, you know, stomp, walk, you know, just be comfortable and get around there. You just thought something you can throw on, man, but man, we'll see what to do. It's also like a kind of stylish shoe. You got the Air Max on the well, let me get my face out this I'll be trying to do it, y'all. I'll be trying to do it on like 3D. I can't get it. Anyway, what I'm trying to get is right here is the it's basically MAX. It's a max right there. So it should be fading me out. It autofocus it all. Let me put it. There you go. All right. There you go. A little bit. I don't know if y'all can see it. There you go. All right, but you see, yeah, there you go. You got the max right there. That's what the detail of the shoe is definitely put in. And you know, that might be like not popular amongst a lot of like us out here. We like Jordans and this and another, but these type of shoes, they especially overseas, they go and you'll be surprised what the price is over there for them. The demand is, but all blacks though, all blacks. But again, you know, I'm not the only one with little shoe gaming here, you know what I'm saying? So again, man, shout out to my wife. Happy birthday to my daughter. Her birthday was yesterday, but her party's today, so let's go, you know, with that. Happy birthday to her. Man, love y'all. Till next time, man. On the D-Mac.